do Hindu teachings address sexual health and well-being? Hindu teachings, encompassing a wide array of texts and traditions, approach sexual health and well-being with a nuanced perspective that integrates moral, spiritual, and practical considerations. Within Hinduism, sexual health is not merely viewed in physical terms but is considered a vital aspect of overall well-being, encompassing emotional, psychological, and spiritual dimensions. The context of dharma. In Hinduism, the concept of dharma, or righteous living, plays a crucial role in guiding individual behavior, including sexual conduct. Dharma emphasizes the importance of fulfilling one's duties and responsibilities in a manner that upholds moral and ethical standards. In the context of sexual health, this implies engaging in sexual relationships within the bounds of marriage or committed partnerships, where mutual respect, consent, and understanding are paramount. The role of kama. The Hindu tradition acknowledges the significance of kama, or desire, as one of the four aims of human life, alongside dharma, righteousness, artha, prosperity, and moksha, liberation. The Kama Sutra, an ancient text attributed to Vatsyayana, is perhaps the most well-known work discussing the art of love and sexual pleasure. However, it's essential to understand that kama is not merely about physical gratification but is considered an integral aspect of a balanced and fulfilling life when pursued in alignment with dharma. Holistic well-being and tantra. Certain Hindu traditions, such as tantra, offer a more esoteric approach to sexuality, viewing it as a means of spiritual growth and union. Tantra involves practices that transcend conventional notions of sexuality, aiming to harness sexual energy as a powerful force for spiritual awakening and realization. These teachings highlight the potential of sexual union to achieve a profound connection not only between partners but with the divine. Ayurveda on sexual health. Ayurveda, the traditional system of medicine in Hinduism, addresses sexual health comprehensively, offering insights into maintaining sexual vitality and treating sexual dysfunctions. According to Ayurveda, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and herbal remedies can enhance sexual energy and overall vitality. The system also emphasizes the significance of mental and emotional well-being in maintaining a healthy sexual life. Modern interpretations and challenges. In contemporary Hindu communities, attitudes towards sexual health and well-being are evolving. While traditional teachings continue to influence perspectives, there is an increasing awareness of the importance of sexual education, consent, and safe sexual practices. Efforts are being made to address issues such as sexual violence, LGBTQ+ rights, and gender equality, reflecting a broader dialogue on sexual health that integrates traditional wisdom with modern understandings of human sexuality. Conclusion. Hindu teachings offer a rich and diverse perspective on sexual health and well-being, recognizing the importance of sexuality as an integral aspect of human life. By balancing the pursuit of desire with moral and ethical considerations, Hinduism advocates for a holistic approach to sexual health that encompasses physical, emotional, psychological, and spiritual dimensions. As Hindu communities continue to navigate the complexities of modern life, the tradition's teachings on sexual health remain a source of guidance, reflecting an enduring commitment to the well-being of the individual and society.